Hey there, welcome back. I've heard it so many times. I'm a spiritual being having a human experience. Maybe you've heard this too. It's become a kind of mantra in the spiritual space. But I've had to ask myself, what does that really mean? Because the human experience is not just some side quest on the soul's journey. It is the journey. It's the miracle. Imagine this with me. You create something extraordinary. A dream world. Majestic mountains, endless oceans, wild redwoods, soft grass, starlit skies, maybe even a cozy lounge chair under the sun, or a wild playground of color and laughter. And you built it with your essence. You poured your light into it. But every time you reached for it, your hand passed right through. No touch, no smell, no interaction, just longing. Frustrating, right? So, what do? We came here and we chose form. We incarnate. We become human. Not to escape spirit, but to express it. Because here, through this body, we can feel the rain, we can smell the pine, we can taste mango, we can hold each other, we can love out loud. That's the miracle. Not that we are spirit, but that spirit is allowed to experience itself through form. That we get to walk through the world we dreamed of. Not just imagine it. See, our souls, they don't just think thoughts. They emotionally process vibration. They translate energy into experience. That's what this life is. A collaboration between the unseen and the seen. Your brain, it's not just interpreting reality, it's generating it from frequency. Right now your senses are reading light, sound, temperature, texture, and making meaning out of it all. Making a life out of it all. And people say, but I'm not intuitive. But love, you are. Just by being in a body, you are already attuned. Already decoding energy at light speed. How else did you make it this far? Your ears caught whispers, your skin felt chills, your dreams left maps during sleep. And that inner child? They aren't just your past. They are your blueprint. That fearless creator who didn't ask how, because it just became. Tiptoed like a dinosaur, roared with their whole being, believed in worlds unseen. So come back to that magic. Come back to that wild. You don't need to become intuitive. You just need to remember that you are. And when your creations feel stuck, when your manifestations stall, look deeper. There's likely a thought that became a feeling. That became a belief. That shaped your energy. That built your world. We became the thoughts we feel. Like little kids acting out being dinosaurs. They don't just pretend. They embody. They live it, unfiltered, unafraid. But this isn't just play. It's alchemy. Thought plus emotion equal creation. That childlike state isn't something to heal. It's something to return to. Not the wounding, but the creativity and the wonder. You don't manifest with your mind. You manifest with your being. You are a frequency translator, a divine decoder, turning invisible energy into sunsets and breakups, into healing and heartbreak, into this moment right now. The original consciousness that created worlds before the mind stepped in with its stories, before the world influenced who you should be. So here's what I've come to believe. We're not here to escape being human. We're here to infuse it with the sacred. To remember that spirit is not limited by form. It's revealed through it. You are not just spirit having a human experience. You are spirit becoming through human form, evolving, expressing, and remembering itself in motion. This life, this body, this moment, it's not a detour from the soul's path. It is the path. One step in an eternal unfolding. And you, love, are the miracle walking it. So come back to that magic. Come back to that wild. The miracle was never up there, wherever there is. It's here in the now, inside this breath, inside this body, and inside you. You are not spirit trapped in form. You are spirit set free through form. And this, well, this is the dance of the divine.